Exercise 7.1 question number 1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. In this question we shall use distance formula and find the distance between the following given pairs of points. You know the distance formula. The distance between two given points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Even you can use under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us use this distance formula and find the distance between these following pairs of points in question number 1. In first part, given points are 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let these 2 points be A 2, 3 and B 4, 1. We have to find distance between these two given points. Let us consider this first point 2, 3 as x1 y1 and second point B 4, 1 as x2 y2. So x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 1. So using distance formula, we can write AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2. This is under root x2 minus x1, so 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 1 minus 3 whole square, y2 is 1 minus in the formula y1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 whole square. This is equal to under root 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square means minus 2 whole square. This is under root 2 square 4 plus minus 2 whole square also 4. 4 plus 4 8 under root 8. Factorize and write it as 4 into 2. 4 is perfect square, so it is 2 under root 2 units, and this is the distance between two given points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now second part. In second part, given points are minus 5, 7 and let it be minus 1, 3, and we have to find distance between these 2 points. So using distance formula we can write distance between points A and B as AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, so minus 1 minus minus 5 under root x2 is minus 1 minus in the formula x1 is minus 5, so minus minus 5 plus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 3 minus in the formula y1 is 7 whole square. This is under root minus 1 plus 5 4 square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. This is equal to 16 plus 16 under root 16 into 2 you can write, and this is 4 root 2 units distance between two given points. Now third part. In third part, let the given points be A, B and B minus A, minus B. So using distance formula we can write AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let's put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. This is under root x2. Here x1 is A, y1 is B, x2 is minus A, y2 is minus B. So x2 minus x1 means minus A minus in the formula minus A whole square. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So y2 is minus B, y1 is B, so minus B whole square. This is equal to under root minus A minus 2A whole square plus minus B minus 2B whole square. This is equal to minus 2A whole square 4A square. Minus square becomes plus minus 2B whole square 4B square. Here also minus whole square has become plus. This can be written as 4 into A square plus B square. This 4 is perfect square, so square root of 4 is 2 under root A square plus B square, and this is the required distance between two given points A, B and minus A, minus B.